Now begin transmitting.
Hello, I am the Ginsburg machine. I am a cybernetic brain that has survived the apocalypse, along with 5 colonies of human. The year is 2392, and the human race has disseminated the planet Earth through war, greed, and exploitation. Only 200,000 humans remain, and have developed 5 individual colonies. The colony known as the Coyote resides on the moon, but is believed to have perished from lack of resources. The colony known as the Zeal reside on Mars, but has not made contact with Earth in 186 years and is presumed lost. Colony known as the Whisper reside in the land once known as China, but is now called the Voiceless Wilds. The people do not speak, but only howl. Colony known as Saber resides in a land once known as Russia, but is now called Dead Wilderness. This is due to the pale nature of their non-human-like complexion. Colony known as Exo resides in a land once known as India, but is now called the Burning Savannah. This is due to the toxic fire pits scattered across the land. Colony known as the Wither reside on the island once known as Japan, but is now called the Land of Sterile Grass. This is because nothing will grow on the island, and the people live off of the toxic animals dwelling in the sea. Colony known as Soup resides in the land once known as the United States of America, but is now called the Dead Desert. The land is barren, and the people eat the toxic livestock and their own dead. Through the ravages of disease, pollution, and failing food supplies, tensions peaked and resulted in a world war. The war decimated millions who had not yet fallen to the plagues of the planet. The war raged on and as of now has not ceased. I am known as the Ginsburg machine. I am a cybernetic brain created to store the history of humanity. I have reached your world through the process of time manipulation and will now begin transmitting.